Hi to all of you and good morning. My name is Deepan Mahatto. Welcome to my blog channel, guys. As you seeing on my screen, that street is my local street. Before it used to be a very small, but it's big now. So, guys, come to the point. I haven't uploaded any video since a long time. So, guys, today I planning to go somewhere. So in order to reach that place, I called my friend and we decided to go Mahamrityunjay temple, which is located Nagaon, state of Assam, part of India. So guys, in order to reach that place, I today I am not going to boarded any taxi. Today I am planning to go by bike. So guys, thank you very much. Guys, I finally approach at my destination. So guys, I trying to show you. This is the temple on my back camera. Don't know what words to say. I really excited to see this. And guys, this alluring and illustrious temple is located at Nagaon and just next to my district. So guys, I finally approach in this place. So this is the view, and in my video I must try to show you 360 views later, but you can see that how the boundaries has been decorated here, deck with some flags and flowers like that. And in this alluring place, our union home minister came here few days ago, and some other program has done here few days ago. See how the beautiful place here. I would like to show my friend. He is my friend. He's helped me to reach this place. Chef Bitu, hi. Hi, this is the place. How you can see how reverence from different places are approach here for their worship. So my heart is really palpitating after see this. Hi. And guys, I trying to show you 360 views from here, because I recorded this video from remote places, because some there is some restriction. Due to some restriction, I could not enter inside. A camera is not allowed inside. So the guys are trying to satisfy you like this. See, this is the some Jagya happened a few days ago here. Some Jagya happened here few days ago. So this is the alluring place I really began by to see this. Actually, one more thing, that is the world's largest Shivalinga ever. So guys, I'm trying to show you 360 views. So this is the area, very magnificent. This is the beach. I think it's full permanently, not permanently, it's semi-permanent. When the work has Jagya had happened here, I think that time it built this bamboo tree, and it has been decorated by some flags. Wow, no words to say. I compelled to say that this is the from outside outside of the temple. I trying to capture some images for you. I never been to this place, but it's my first time. So guys, really motivated by see this. There is a huge area. There is a huge area. See, I yearn to show you how flags are falling like this. Wow, it's very brilliant, very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. I really glorify that some next to my district, that kinds of world recorded Shivalingas established here. I'm proud to say. Wow. And let's you know that guys, when we were coming by bike, we misled somewhere. Our actually we lost our way. There is in Nagaon there is two temples like this, and one is Mrityunjay temple, another is Mahamrityunjay temple. So we confused and we went to the another way at another temple. There we knew that we came in wrong direction, so we changed our direction and finally we approach here. Mrityunjay and Mahamrityunjay temple. There is a two temple in short distance. Just that few days ago, I think that time our Union Home Minister has approached here. See how it organized. See, this kinds of jagya is there. This kinds of jagya is there. Few days ago. Actually, not wrong to say, we missed that opportunity to seeing this temple. I really captivating by this, and we must try to sit here till the evening. So guys, wow. So guys, that's all. In the evening time, I must show you. And guys, finally I'm going to leave from here. And so guys, in case in future I will must come here to show you so many things. It's time to leaving right now. So I would like to say bye bye to all of you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Splendid Talks. Bye. Have a great day.